What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram theme option not showing problem. Okay, let's start at follow my all step. First go back, now go your phone settings, now click your phone settings, scroll down, now click apps, now click search option, now search your Instagram, now click Instagram, scroll down, now click storage, now click clear cache, now click clear data, now click delete, now click permission, now your all permission, now your all permission, now your all permission. Now click go back, now click your Google Play Store, now click Google Play Store, now update your Instagram, now update your Instagram app, now click Instagram, now update your Instagram, now update Instagram, now your phone restart, now click your phone restart. By doing your process, now you can your Instagram themes app problem solve. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe now my channel.